Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So finally, the week has come to an end and gold closed at 1919. My dear friends, we discussed about the possibility of gold. We discussed about the upside on the chart of gold yesterday, and we got the move we were waiting for. And we also talked about the resistance around 1921 level, and our resistance also worked. So all the levels were spot on yesterday. So let's look at the trading opportunities for Monday. So first of all, let's discuss about DXY, US dollar index. So yesterday we talked about the importance of DXY to cross this level here to continue the uptrend. The level of 103.44, 103.55. DXY tried to cross the level, made a high of 103.53, but it failed to sustain. And after that we saw price rejection from above and followed by a big red candle. Ultimately DXY settled at 102.92. This is the last traded price of DXY. So the market opening will be important, because if DXY wants to continue the upside, and obviously it will have to cross this level here. Then only we can expect a trend reversal on DXY or US dollar index. Right after the market opening, if there is a drop on DXY, then the next support levels where you can expect the buyers to protect DXY are 102.52 and 102.30 to 102.25. The green box here is the strongest support on the chart of DXY. Before the green box or this buy zone, we also have 102.50. so these are the levels on the chart of DXY if there's a drop right after the market opening. And as I said, if DXY wants to continue the upside, then obviously it will have to cross this level so that it can move higher. So we're back to the chart of gold again. So overall the levels have not changed. Overall the levels that we discussed on Friday are still the same. But the trading strategy is a little bit different right now, because yesterday we had this wedge pattern and finally market is out of the wedge. So we no longer need this. If we go to the daily chart, if we go to 1-day chart or daily chart of gold, then now we can beautifully see how market has respected FIBO 61.8% retracement level. And if you look at the chart here, then yes, by next week or by Monday, Tuesday also, there is further upside possible on the chart of gold. And if we just try to analyze the market on the base of daily chart here, then there's a high chance that gold will be heading towards 1940. Again, I'm repeating, in case there is a sudden drop in the market, if you see a big fall by next week, okay, then the support level that we discussed many times, okay, still it is valid. 1863, 1864 is the next support on the chart of gold in case there is a sudden drop on the chart of gold. But right now, gold is, I won't say bullish, but gold is looking for some trend reversal here. So what are the next trading opportunities then? First of all, the strongest resistance on the chart of gold seems to be around 1937 to 1940. Do you remember this level? Okay, we talked about 1937, 1940 a couple of days ago. Yes, the resistance of 1937, 1940 is still very much valid. And you can easily see the reason here. If I zoom out, then you can see that around 1940 level, okay, around 1937, 1940 level, we have strong price rejection from above previously. Along with that, we also have FIBO 61.8% retracement. Okay, so if we combine the factors here, sorry, I removed the box. If you combine all the factors, then yes, 1940 to 1937 as a resistance is still very much valid. Okay, so this is the strongest resistance on the chart of gold for Monday. And before that, you can also see that we also have Fibonacci 50% retracement around 1930 as well. In our Friday's video, we talked about 1930. So the level of 1930 is also very much valid. See, our level of 1921 worked, as a result of which market failed to cross on Friday. So it gives us the confirmation that the rest of the levels will also work. So in case the volatility of the market is not extreme high, if market opens in a normal note, if the volatility of market is normal, in that case you can definitely expect the market to face the next resistance around 1930 to 1931. We have FIBO 50% retracement level, strong price rejection around this area, and the same level also worked as support previously. So support will be working as resistance, price rejection from above, and FIBO. Combine all the three factors, 1930 to 1931 is the next resistance. If gold continues the upside, if gold shows upside green candles right after the market opening, and then we have 1937 to 1940 when market will break 1931-32. So these are the two resistances or two levels where we have strong sellers present on the chart of gold. If market reverses, I'm doing the analysis on 4 hours time frame. You simply go to 1 hour time frame. 4 hours time frame is quite slow. So if you see the price rejection from above, market is struggling around this area, you can look for a sell. Okay, so these are the two levels where you can expect the market to reverse and you can take a sell accordingly. At least you can expect a profit of 40 to 50 pips. Clear? And what about the support then? To be honest, we don't have any strong support on the chart of gold right now. Yes, the level of 1892 to 1894 is still very much present, but is this a strong support? No, this is not a strong support on the chart of gold. And in case there's a drop in the market, if market continues the structure here, then obviously 1892 93, this level will not be able to hold the market, because see, though market has bounced from here, but if we observe the market structure, then the structure of the market is still not positive and we cannot deny that. So overall, in this market condition, I'm thinking that market will remain sideways for the next couple of days, at least for 1 or 2 days. We will get to see market in a range of 1940 to 1950. Yeah, 1940 to 1950 on the upside, and then we will have 1900 on the downside. This should be the range of the market for the next couple of days, 2 or 3 days. And I shouldn't be talking about these contracts. So those who understand future and options, okay, they can read the data. But if you are not familiar with future and options, forget about it. I just want to show you that we have good number of contracts around 1900 at 1900 level, 1481 contracts, and you can see that addition 24 contracts have been added. So this is a good sign that buyers are taking interest at 1900 level. So 1900 level is still valid as a support. Under normal circumstances, if there is no influence of the news, then obviously 1900 level will be working as support. So what should be your trading strategy in case there is a drop on the market? So if you see the market is going down right after the market opening, okay, then you can look for some support around the level of 1911 to 1910. 1911 to 1910 is the next support on the chart of gold. Okay, 1910 to 1911. We have FIBO 38.2% retracement level, as well as previous resistance will be working as support here. So overall, on considering a Monday market, we can expect 1910 to 1911 to work as the next support in case market shows downside right after the market opening. Okay, so we have 1930 to 1930-31 as a next immediate resistance where we have good sellers. Then we have good sellers present around 1937 to 1940. But as the structure of the market is towards the downside, as a result of which we do not have any strong support. But if you look at the contracts data, then we can see that around at 1900 level, okay, there are a good number of contracts, so buyers are interested. So market should be sideways for the next couple of days. And if the market shows downside right after market opening, we can consider some sort of buying or let's say a support for day traders around 1910, 1911, where we can expect the market to bounce. Yes, a temporary bounce. That's it. The previous support of 1892-93 is still there, but it is quite far away, so let's not talk about it. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Enjoy the weekend, have fun with your friends and family. Do not gamble on Monday. Bye bye, take care. Be a trader, not a gambler. If you really like my work and if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, then you can consider joining the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop. Yes, the Forex trading workshop is back again. I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Just go to my website, you will see the topics that I'll be covering in 3 days. Okay, it's a 3 days workshop, and you can see that these are the topics that I'll be teaching after the workshop. Yes, right after the 3 days workshop, there will be weekly classes. Okay, so workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. You can see the benefits or the support you'll be receiving during the 1 month. So 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program and all these benefits you'll be receiving. You can see here I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And most importantly, the workshop is not for complete beginners. If you're a trader who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months, then only the workshop will be useful for you. That's why I have also shared a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. And the best part is the fees. You can see here it's only $15 or rupees 1000 for Indians, and you can see the dates are 5, 6 and 7 for Hindi classes, and for English classes 8, 9 and 10 of July. Timing is mentioned here, everything is mentioned, and if you cannot attend, no need to worry, recordings will be there, okay, so that you can watch later on. Everything is mentioned on the website, the payment procedure and all, everything. So if you really want to take up trading to the next level, you can definitely consider joining the workshop. After all, this is the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop, and hopefully you will learn a lot of things.